On one hand, in a fresh incident of violence in already simmering tense situation in Manipur, a group of miscreants burnt down the United Committee Manipur office under Imphal West District in the wee hours of Saturday, February 24 morning. As per sources, the incident took place at around 12:40 a.m. The UCM office is located at Lamphel in Imphal West. Most of the office building was burned to ashes. However, Manipur Fire Service team doused the fire on time and prevented the neighboring houses from fire. Who has burned the office is yet to be established.
हम भी ये एक्चुअली दुनिया में लेके जाना और चलिए नहीं वो हर